In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami witch hat bookmark designed by Francesco Mancini. I'll use a square with a side length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and the finished bookmark is then about 10.6 centimeters or 4 1/8 of an inch wide, and about 5.4 centimeters or 2 1/8 of an inch high. We'll start with the color side up for a colored hat. First, we're going to crease along the diagonal by bringing corner to opposite corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Then unfold, flip over, and now crease by bringing edge to opposite edge. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Unfold, and now bring one corner to the center, and be sure that these raw edges do not overlap these two crease lines. Then bring in these two adjoining corners, ensuring that this paper does not shift, and form a preliminary base. Now we're going to take that top layer and bring the corner to the top to crease along the diagonal. And then we're going to bring this down so this top corner lies slightly below that center point. And then do not crease, but just pinch on the right and the left. Now align these two pinch marks with this edge right here that lies along the center, like this. Now we're going to take one layer right here and fold it over like a book. And then we're going to rotate this to form a rabbit ear. I'm only rotating the model because I find it easier to fold away from myself. Now we're going to take this raw edge and bring it to the diagonal crease line. And we only want to crease on the top layer, so I'm actually going inside right here and creasing up to where that extra layer is visible. Unfold, and then bring this folded edge to the center too. And crease, and again go inside. This makes it easier to crease because you're not going through as many layers, and it makes the fold more precise. Once you've got both of those creases in place, you can push them in at the same time, like this, and then press this together, and then we're going to press this to the top, and this extra paper we're just going to let flip outside, and I'm pushing this so that you can see this paper will lie against that folded edge. And press flat and crease. Next we're going to go inside this pocket right here, opening up the paper so that we're going to start a crease right in this point. And we're going to fold down, letting that paper fold to the side, and we're going to align this edge with itself so that we get a horizontal crease line. and make a strong crease. Now we're going to take this layer, that bottom corner, and bring it all the way to the top. And try to really bring it all the way to the top so that we get a nice clean finish in the very end, and ensure that this paper on the side is straightened out like that. And then we're going to fold this over, trying to really go along that edge again to get a nice clean finish, so that you can see this paper does not shift too much but is nicely aligned with that top point. And let's use that large area of our thumbnail to strengthen the creases. And here you can see 1/2 of the hat done. And now we need to repeat those steps on the other side. So we're going to again fold open. Let's just see that this paper doesn't shift too much. Like that. Then rotate the model and fold the edge to the central diagonal crease, going inside the layers. Unfold and repeat with that raw edge. And again go inside those layers. Then bring in both of the sides at the same time to form a rabbit ear, pinching and going inside that pocket right there to fold this paper and letting that paper release, pushing it to the side. Like that. Now we're going to go inside this pocket to open it and squash it down while bringing this edge onto itself to get a nice horizontal crease. This paper opens up like that, and then make a strong crease. Then fold this paper up so that the bottom corner reaches that top corner, and fold the paper along the existing crease line to get it as neat as possible. And this paper might tilt a little, and what I do is I simply push this paper in so that this finish here is relatively neat, and then I roll the model a little like that so that it stays in place nicely. And then finally we're going to open this paper right here and take that bottom corner and slide it inside like that until it is nice and flush with this folded edge in the bottom. And make a strong crease like that. And then your Witch Hat bookmark, designed by Francesco Mancini, is all done. And you can slide this inside, and it's a very nice, cute bookmark, especially for Halloween. Now, for more of Francesco's work, check out his Flickr stream. And you can also download diagrams for this model from Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. If you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Plus, if you're looking for more Halloween models, check out the playlist I've put together, or fold more of Francesco's designs following one of my tutorials. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!